Welcome. If you want to keep your Pinterest experience positive and free from unwanted comments, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on the filter comments on others' pins feature in the Pinterest app. This updated guide will help you take control of your social interactions and make sure your Pinterest feed stays friendly and enjoyable. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once the app is open, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now, look for your profile picture at the very top of your profile page. Tap on your profile picture to open your account options. This will bring up a menu with several choices related to your account and privacy settings. Next, find and tap on Social Permissions. This section is where you can manage how you interact with others on Pinterest and control what you see on your feed. Within Social Permissions, you'll see a variety of options to customize your experience. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Filter Comments on Others' Pins. This setting is designed to help you filter out comments that might be offensive, inappropriate, or simply not what you want to see. To turn it on, just toggle the switch next to this option. When the switch turns on, you've successfully enabled the filter. That's it. You've now activated the Filter Comments feature for others' pins on Pinterest. This small change can make a big difference in the quality of your interactions and the overall vibe of your Pinterest browsing. If you ever want to adjust this setting, just follow the same steps to turn it off or back on. Keeping your social media experience positive is all about using the tools available to you, and Pinterest makes it easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your favorite apps. See you in the next video.